The ratios task packet is going to be the take-home portion of your test for our ratios unit. So you will still take a test, but the test won't have so much of the drawings of the tape diagrams and ratio tables and number lines. That will all take place in the packet. So the purpose of this is you have over a week to complete this. You have access to your notes. You can take your time because this is not due until Tuesday, November 23rd. That is a hard deadline though, because that is the last day to turn in any of your work for our ratios units. And then the next day we start Thanksgiving break. So what you're going to do in this packet, go ahead and make sure your first and last name and your hours on there. And there are 6 different tasks. So I'm going to walk you through the first one here. So it says a 6th grade gardening club uses 5 cups of water each day for their 2 tomato plants. How many cups of water would they need each day if they had 12 tomato plants? The first thing you're going to do is just mark up your text. So I highlighted and circled, there's 5 cups of water for 2 tomato plants. So my ratio here is 5 to 2. I put a box around the question I'm going to answer. How many cups of water would they need each day if they had 12 tomato plants? So in this first box, you're just going to get creative and you're just going to draw a picture that represents the problem. 5 cups of water, 2 tomato plants, whatever you want to do there. Get creative, have some fun with that. The second one is the ratio table. You're going to create a ratio table to help you solve the problem. You can find your ratio table information in your 5.2 notes. Here's an example. Cups of water compared to plants. I've got 5 cups of water to 2 plants. You're trying to get up to 12 plants. Okay. All right, and then the tape diagram. You can find examples of tape diagrams in your 5.1 notes. So you're going to make a tape diagram using a ruler so you have the same starting point, straight lines, equal size pieces. This is the take-home portion of your test, so make sure you use a ruler and keep everything looking really nice and take your time. And you're going to use a tape diagram to solve that. You'll get the same answer in every box, but you're just justifying this in more than one way. The double number line, we will start on double number lines tomorrow, and that's your 5.3 notes. So once you have your 5.3 notes completed, you'll have some examples of double number lines there. Once you have all 4 boxes completed, you can go up here and answer in a complete sentence. So how many cups of water would they need each day? If they had 12 tomato plants, they would need blank cups of water.